How to fix voice mod not working on Fortnite. So pretty much we're gonna make sure your settings are on the right place. So first of all, go to your voice mod. Here we're gonna make sure your microphone and headphones are set up to the devices you want them to be in. So in our case, it's going to be the HyperX Duocast, the one that we are using, and our headphones. Next, go ahead into your device settings. So over here, go ahead to your system and go to sound and scroll down to your input. Make sure your microphone is selected as the voice mod option. So there should only be one, and just go ahead and find the one that says voice mod. If you can't find this option, go ahead and try restarting your device. So once it's all done, go ahead to Fortnite, open up your menu, just go ahead and open up your settings, and once you're there, go to communication and the voice chat. You'll be able to see the voice chat input device. So you'll get the voice mod option as well. So just go ahead and choose that one, which is this microphone on then and voice mod, and make sure this one is on the device that you want, which in our case just our headphones. And of course, don't forget to press on apply. Make sure this is on as well, the voice chat. So either everybody or pretty much depends on whoever you want to talk to. Just make sure it's not off. And once that's all done, press on apply. Then just go ahead and press on back and go ahead and try using your voice chat and your voice mod in Fortnite. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.